Good morning. Time to put the slides in and hook the truck up and hit the road. Did you tweet good? You tweet good?
You hear me? Oh.
What?
This will have to be off of the car.
So we got everything packed up. We're fixing to put the slides in and hook her up. I reckon that's the plan. Still got to put our bicycles back here, but raise that bed, put the slides in.
Clark out of that bed.
Clark's asleep in the bed. I noticed that. I was putting the slide in the bedroom and Max was still asleep in it. Did you notice the bed was all funny, Max, when you woke up?
Mm-hmm.
I will.
And I swooped in the van.
You ready to, you know where we're going today?
South Dakota.
No, we're going first.
Where we go stop first?
Nanny's house. We're going to Nanny's house.
Remember?
I thought you help. I'm coming
Okay, just pulled out. Man, I hope every campground isn't that hard to leave. Made a lot of good friends, met a lot of good people. Strawberries are on.
Baby, hey girl, what you doing? Hey, you good girl. Hey, you good girl. Hey, you good girl. Hey, you good girl. Hey, you good old girl. Hey, you good old girl. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Cookeville RV and Marine fixed the hole they made in the awning, but they made a hole in the side of our camper on accident. Fresh water tank fell out. Oh, got it draining.
No, I think.
Stretching and getting some dinner, back on the road. We've made it to about Lebanon. You ready? You home for the night, Norjo? You ready to sweep at the Walmart?
The dude cooking too.
We're home for the night.